Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install the Laravel extension in Visual Code. Okay. So in this case, you can see here's the Visual Studio Code is not recognize the blade templates coding like here for each condition. You can see the color is white like this. It means that it's not recognized. It's not highlight the blade template codes. So in order to highlight it, we need to install the extension. We go to run. We go to install additional debugger, and then we search Laravel. Then you will see here Laravel's Blade Snippets. Okay, this is for highlight the blade template codes. So I install it. Okay, let me close it. Okay, you can see here the color is highlights, so it is easy for you to write the blade template codes. Okay, so you can also install another uh, highlights. Okay, you can see here list down, and if you want to install another, you can search in here. Okay, thank you for watching.